Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the monthly, because today the monthly candle is finished and in daily. And if you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose a timeline depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start. As you see, guys, here that the monthly candle here, it's finished. As you see, also we are here at the monthly chart, and today the monthly candle, it's finished here. As you see it here, what it gave us here, it gave us a small doji here. That means there is no power to break that 50 moving average. As you see it, that one here with red, so there is no power here to break it. And when that last month candle here, it's finished, that was me. I told you something very bad here happening. So there is no power to break above that level, and that's something very bad till now. So for long-term investors, not yet. You need to wait in a little bit, unless if you just want this, don't care about where it's going to go. That's another story. But if you want just to buy one go, it's not yet. It's need at least to break here. Till now it hasn't, so there is nothing yet here confirmed. And that candle here will finish it today. If it came next to it here, a red candle, that a big sign the market is going to fall down. And the data will came today is very bad. The consumer confidence, it came bad today, and people they still fearing the Fed for long-term interest rate hike. That's the problem here, because no one know when is the Fed is going to stop. And the Fed, he said, is going to stop till the inflation started falling. And that over here, that the big dilemma, because when is it the inflation going to fall down? No one know exactly. So over here, till now nothing was changed. We need to wait in more, either another month to finish and to bring us here a green candle like that, and to give us here a continuation pattern, or another scenario to come here a red candle like that to tell us the market is going to fall down more. So both of them, there are two scenarios. We need to put them in the chart of us. And here we got here that megaphone I'll show you in the daily and weekly. So even that one, it doesn't get in block. So till now us we still below in the 50 moving average here in the monthly. So here there is nothing clear. We need to wait in more, guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today, because today is a huge day. So let's go in there. Here we are, that's the coming news for today. As you see it, today is the 1st of March. As you see, got a lot of news, but all the European and those ones also we don't care about it, because also we trade in stock market of USA and the Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin is very correlated to US stocks now. So as you see what is coming tomorrow, ISM manufacturing, as I told you about that one. The forecast here is going to come 48. If it came 48, it's going to come better than the previous one. Because the previous one, it used to be 47.4. But I don't think so, because now America and China, they started again, and the war between them, it will never finish, because both of them, they try to bully each other. We're going to bully the other more than the other. Make it like that. Someone he controlling something, he doesn't want to give it to those ones, and someone that's not our topic here. And here, that's our table, guys. As you see it, as you see here, all US stocks, they are red today, and that's what me I told you in Monday. If you remember what me I told you in Monday, it's always the market doing against what is going to do all the week. So in Monday, they being all of them green, and as you see now, all of them, they are falling. So over here it's showing the US stocks, they are falling down, because as I told you, the uncertainty or no clear picture, because the picture is not clear till now. That's the big problem here in America. So you need to be focused about those things. And here down, as you see it, that one, the VIX, it's still above 20, and me I told you it's going to go more higher than 20. That's what it's showing here. Even those things, it's showing bad thing. Plus here, US dollar, it's still going up. That the bad dilemma here. So till now there is no clear picture. You need to be worried about those things. Me, I'm telling you till now. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the daily. Over here, the Bitcoin it show us something here. That's what us we being worried about. As you remember it here. Let me zoom it a little bit for picture to get more clear to you. As you see here, the three candles. That one here, the green one, that red one, and that one. The three candles, they are very, very, very bad signal. They indicating the market is going to reverse down. Because if you're looking with me, in the first, they came here, one red, and it came next to them a green one. It's indicating the market is going to go, but that candle here, it's showing the market is going to reverse down now. But till now, us we still here stuck in that level here. So if it came a candle here and confirm for us it's going to fall down, you need to go with it down. Tell where, we don't know exactly tell where, because if you remember what else we said we got here a flag like that. Very clear flag like that. Even that one you need to be focused about it. If it's getting broke here, that's when the market is going to fall down more. Tell where exactly. You just bring here that stick of the flag and you put it here. Exactly where it's going to fall down. That's where you need to take profit. I think picture is still clear here in the daily. We don't need to make the video too long. Now here, the market I try to give you here a clear cup and handle here as you see it here in the daily. You know it exactly just came here and you changing from candles to lines like that as you see it now. Very clear cup and handle here as you see it here. That one, if you want to enter early, if it's breaking here the neckline, you can enter short again. I'm talking here about people they trading short and long, not people they are just long-term investors. Long-term investors, you just waiting till that falling is going to stop, then you buy in from down deep, and here it's showing that man the market is going to fall down a little bit, but maybe we're going to be wrong and it's going to show us the market we are going to go up. And me personally, I think we are going to stay sideways here because there is no big power pushing down. There is no one selling till now. And if you remember in Friday what else we tell you, when we analyze for you here the options, it's showing in the options we are going to stay here sideways all the week. So let's wait and see. Also here in the daily, yes, we are in a up trend. When we break in here, we go up. Now either it's going to fall down to touch it here, then after that to go up. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. We need to wait and more. I think picture is still clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, us we enter along from here. People they being with us we enter along from here, and we put a stop loss of it here. We enter exactly from here long. The market is showing here as if there is no big power to push up. And me what me I told in the last video, I told you like that and like that. You can make here a wage like that, and you waiting that for the people they haven't entered with us from that candle here, because also we enter long here. That just for swing trading, you need to remember that. And we put in the stop loss down here, and we're still waiting if the market is going to go up or is going to fall down. And for the people they haven't entered with us, we put for them that wage like that. We told them if it's breaking up here, they can enter long. If it fall down and break lower here, they can enter short. So till now it hasn't breaking up, it hasn't breaking down. So till now here in the 4 hours, it's still early for anyone to enter long or to enter short. They need to wait and look at that cup and handle. I'll show you in the daily how it look here. See it or no? The neckline of that one, is it here, down, here, that level, here. If it fall down here and break lower here, you can enter short, the take profit for that one. It just came, you do it like that, and in down here. But me, I think it's going to fall down just till here, till that level here. You need to be focused about those things me I'm showing you. But me, I focused more about that one, that wage here, as you see it, how it draw with me. That one, me, I focused about it. If it's breaking up here, I'm going to add then more time, because me, I just buy from here, from that one here, and I put stop loss down here. If it's breaking up here, I'm going to buy more. If it fall down and breaking here, because if it fall down and breaking down here, it's going to hit the stop loss. I'm going to enter a short and I put stop loss up here. That's a part of trading, and trading is a game of probability. There is not every time you win in. There is sometimes you are right, sometimes you are wrong, and you need to accept it when you are wrong. That's a part of trading, guys. So that's how is it trading. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's saying today. So let's go in there. That one here, it gives us more clear picture compared to the chart. What I told you in the last video, I told you there is no power to break here, that level. And that's what it's showing here, as you see it. He touched it 3 times here, but there is no power to come back from the bear's control to the bull's control here. So over here, it's showing to us the market is staying here at the bear's control, but there is no power to push down. Let's say tomorrow when it came the ISM manufacturing, if we are going to fall down or from. Until now, there is that war between America and CZ. Over here is a big problem now. That's what me I told you, between China and USA. Over here is the big problem, and that affecting a lot the Bitcoin, the supply chain, a lot of things. That's why you see the market is too flat now. And now there is a war between Coinbase and Binance about stable coin. They want to ban BUSD in America. Over here is another story again. So tell now us we still waiting what's going to happen. Tell now us we are in a bear market, but there is no power to push down and there is no power to buy. So we need to wait in the market. It look like we are going to go to a flat market for some days. So you need to be focused about those things I'm telling you. Now let's go into our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, also we being here down at the oversold area. Used to have here that price action like that. When it's breaking up, me I enter personally from here long. And I put stop loss down here. Now it look like we still here at the oversold area till now. And here we got another price action now. That way here. So people they haven't entered with me from here. They can enter if it's breaking up here. But till it's breaking up here. Till now there is no entry. Now it look like we are going to go to break down here. If we break down here, me personally is going to hit my stop loss here. And I'm going to enter another short from here. That's a part of game. So we need to accept it our decisions. That's how is it trading. So I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Yes, you are right. What I told you here in the last video, you can find everything still in the channel. I told you we got here like that, a up channel like that, as you see it. If you remember it, what me draw it like that exactly. And I told you if it's breaking down, you enter short. It's breaking here exactly here, as you see it. So over here, we'll have you enter short. It fall down till down here at this time. So I think you make nice profit from here because we used to have here a divergence, if you remember it, because we used to be here exactly. You can find all those things in the last video. Just go back and watch the last video and watch the last part of 30 minutes. We have here a divergence, and we told you the price action we used to have is that one here. And we told you when it's breaking, you enter short. It's break here exactly as you see it in that candle here, that one. So we'll have you enter short from here. It went back up here. Then after that, it fell down here. So we'll have you make nice profit. Now at this time here, what you have? At this time, you have here now like a diamond as you see it. Look with me here. We have here a diamond, very clear diamond, and the diamond is getting broke here, down here. As you see it, that one is indicating that man, the market is going to fall down more. And we got another price action here. We can make it even like that and like that. We got here a down channel like that. We touch the top of it here. Maybe that one is going to fall down to touch the lower of it here, or maybe it's going to go back up. If it came back up and breaking here, you can enter long again. So till now it show you all the possibilities, and here look at it, it give you here very clear double top here, and it's breaking even the neckline here. Even that one is a possible the market is going to fall down more. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area. So technically now you need to look in for buy opportunity. Did you got anything here to enter long? The only thing you got that trend line here, as you see it. If that one came and breaking up here, yes, you can enter long, but now there is nothing here. Yes, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. But there is no price action here indicating for you need to enter long. Only price action you got that trend line here. Look at it here. The one if it came up and breaking here, yes, you can enter long, but tell now there is nothing here. And if you remember yesterday, also we show you here, used to have here a divergence here like that. And that's what also we told you we need to look in for short. It came, it's breaking down here. Over here, we'll have you enter short. Tail down here, we'll have you make nice profit here. I'm talking here just about scalping and day trading. So every day you're going to enter. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.